everyone, here is our next video on rational numbers and this is your next chapter, and here we'll see our part 1 as introduction part for the rational number. So in introduction part we'll consider many points, as in what are rational numbers, second numerator and denominator, third equivalent rational numbers, and fourth positive and negative rational numbers. So in introduction part we will see these, as these are the introduction. Okay, so let's start from the first, that what are rational numbers. Okay, what are rational numbers. ओके, सो इफ़ पहले मैं इसका यूज़ बता देती हूँ. यूज़ से आपको पता चल जाएगा रैशनल नंबर क्या होता है, क्यों हम इसको एक नंबर सिस्टम में हम इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि आप लोग सोचते होगे ये पॉजिटिव हमारा नेचुरल नंबर आ गया, होल नंबर आ गया. अच्छा, हमको माइनस का भी मतलब नेगेटिव का भी चाहिए था, तो नेगेटिव भी आ गया एज इंटीजर्स. ओके, और हमको पार्ट्स में चाहिए था तो हमारा फ्रैक्शंस भी आ गया. तो ये रैशनल नंबर का यूज़ क्या है, क्यों इसको हम नंबर सिस्टम में ऐड कर रहे हैं. तो इसका यूज़ ये है कि सपोज़ मैं आपको पूछूंगी कि व्हाट मीन्स हाउ विल रिप्रेजेंट 340 मीटर और किलोमीटर अबव सी लेवल. How will represent? This is equals to plus 340 kilometer. Now how will represent the 340 same distance kilometer below sea level? It will be minus 340 kilometer, and that's why we are using negative integer, and that's why we discovered negative integer. Okay, now if I'll tell you 3/4 kilometer above sea level, this is 3/4 kilometer. Okay, which is our fraction. Okay, fraction. अभी रैशनल नंबर का क्या यूज़ है इसमें. अगर मैं बोलूँ 3/4 किलोमीटर बिलो सी लेवल, अभी ये इसको कैसे लिखूंगी, इसको ऐसे में लिखूंगी -3/4 किलोमीटर, एंड दिस इज नीदर इंटीजर नॉर फ्रैक्शन. सो व्हाट इज दिस इज रैशनल नंबर. सो बेसिकली रैशनल नंबर इज द फ्रैक्शन विथ इंटीजर. ओके, फ्रैक्शन विथ इंटीजर. ओके, so our fraction can never be minus, but rational number can be positive, can be negative. So this is the use of rational number. ठीक है, अभी आपको rational number पता चल गया. rational numbers क्या होते हैं, इसके यूजेस पता चल गया. ऐसे ही हम डिफरेंट सेक्टर में हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो इसका डेफिनेशन मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. दिस इज़ द इसका फॉर्म आ जाता है P/Q फॉर्म में. ठीक है, जैसे कि हमारा फ्रैक्शन में रहता है, इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ P/Q, वेयर Q इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड P and Q आर इंटीजर्स. ओके, P and Q आर इंटीजर्स. ओके, तो ये हो गया हमारा rational numbers. Now tell me, think about it, कि all the fractions can be rational number or not. all the fractions can be a rational number or not. All the fractions like 3/4, 5/6, 7/8, okay, 9/5, all these can be rational number or not. Yes, of course. Why not? Because rational number can contain positive as well as negative too. Okay, so and fractions are a positive, so Yes, all the fractions can be rational number. Now think about k, if all the rational numbers can be fractions or not. Fractions or not. All the rational numbers can be fraction or not. No, they can't be. That's why we discovered rational number. No, or else what is the need of finding a rational number and add it in the number system? Okay, so because rational numbers are of both positive and negative, but fractions, they include only positive fractions, and rational number, they are having positive fractions as well as negative fractions. So they are not fractions, they are rational numbers, so they can't be, all the rational numbers can never be fractions. Okay, so minus 3 by 4 can never be, minus 3 by 4 is not a fraction. Okay guys, so this is about the what are rational numbers. The next point will go for numerator and denominator. So in the next point we will be discussing about numerator and denominator. Here I have already told you that it is rational number is also in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0, but and p and q are integers. Okay, so now if I'll tell you mention a rational number which is having numerator is a negative integer. Okay, numerator is numerator is negative, and numerator is negative and denominator is a positive. Denominator is positive integer. So rational number can be minus 3 by 4. My numerator is negative and denominator is positive. If I'll ask you to write numerator is a positive integer and denominator is a negative integer and write down one rational number, means your numerator is positive and denominator is negative. So I can write 2 by minus 5. This is also a rational number which is having positive as numerator as positive, denominator as negative. Next, if I ask you write a rational number which is having numerator and denominator both are negative integer. Okay, numerator and denominator negative, na, negative, and denominator is also negative. Okay, numerator is negative, denominator is negative. So our numerator is negative and denominator is negative. So if I am writing minus 4 by minus 5, minus minus will be cut, it will be 4 by 5. So negative means it shows a positive integer only. Okay, positive rational number. Next, last, if I'll ask you to write numerator a rational number which is having numerator and denominator both are positive, numerator is positive and denominator is also positive. So it can be 6 by 7, anything which can be a fraction too. Okay, so in numerator and denominator this much. Next we'll go to equivalent rational numbers. Okay, equivalent rational number. Now equivalent rational number, it's exactly same as fraction. In fraction, equivalent fractions, how we were calculating, what is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3? We will multiply 2 here and 2 here too, which is 4 by 6, which is equivalent. Also 2 into 4 by 3 into 4, 8 by 12, this is also. Similarly, in rational number, suppose I am taking minus 3 by 2, I will multiply 2 here and 2 here also, minus 3 into 2 by 2 into 2, which is equals to minus 6 by 4. Similarly, minus 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 3 minus 9 by 6. Okay, this is also rational number, okay. And equivalent also, if I'll multiply minus 3 into minus 2, same minus 2 I have to multiply here, 2 into minus 2, which is equals to 6 by minus 4. This is also equivalent, okay. Also, if I'll tell you that 10 by minus 15 is equals to minus 10 by 15, yes, this is correct. How? If I'll multiply minus both the sides in numerator as well as denominator, minus 10 by minus of minus 15, which is equals to minus 10 by minus minus plus, which is 15, which is equal, okay. So this is about equivalent rational numbers, okay guys. Now we'll see positive and negative rational numbers in introduction part. So positive and negative rational number, this is very simple, okay. If your denominator and numerator, okay, P and Q both are positive, then the rational number is positive rational number. If P and Q both are positive, then the rational number is positive rational number. If P or Q or both are negative, then the rational number is negative rational number, okay. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, no, not both, P or Q or both, not both. If both will be negative, then they will be positive, na, minus will be cut, okay. If I will write minus 5 by 4, minus 4, minus will cut, it will be positive only. For this, minus 2 by 3, minus 5 by 4, 6 by minus 7, 9 by minus 10, these all are negative integers, okay. Positive or negative, both. If both will be positive or negative, then positive integer. If any one from P and Q are negative, then they will be called as negative rational number, okay. So this is all about introduction part for the rational number. In part 2 we will see playing with rational numbers, okay, and in part 3 we'll see operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So guys, if you have any doubt from this part, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much guys.